Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log in to Delta Wi-Fi, troubleshooting connection issues step by step clearly. First, turn on airplane mode for 10 seconds. Then turn it off to reset your phone's network. Open your Wi-Fi settings and select the network named Delta Wi-Fi or Delta Wi-Fi onboard if you see it. Make sure you are connected to the Wi-Fi network and not using mobile data. Turn off VPN and any ad blocker apps because they can prevent the login page from loading. Open a web browser like Chrome, Safari, or Edge and close all other browser tabs. In the address bar, type universal.com and press enter to force the Wi-Fi portal to appear. If the portal does not open, type 111 in the address bar and try again. When the Delta Wi-Fi login page appears, read the terms and tap accept or continue. If you have a paid plan, select the purchase option and follow the on-screen payment steps. If you have a voucher or access code, enter it carefully and double-check for spaces. If you are a SkyMiles member or have an account login option, choose it and sign in. Wait for the confirmation message that says you are connected or internet access is granted. Test the connection by loading a simple website like example.com. If pages still do not load, forget the Delta Wi-Fi network in Wi-Fi settings and reconnect. Restart your device to clear any stuck network sessions and try the login steps again. If you are on a laptop, disable and re-enable the Wi-Fi adapter from network settings. Check that your device date and time are set to automatic to avoid security certificate errors. If you see a connected but no internet message, try moving closer to the cabin center for better signal. Limit the number of connected devices because too many devices can reduce speed or block login. Disable iCloud Private Relay or similar privacy relays if the login portal keeps failing. On iPhone, turn off Private Wi-Fi address for Delta Wi-Fi if authentication loops. On Android, change the network settings to use DHCP and avoid manual IP settings. If the portal keeps reloading, clear your browser cache and cookies and reopen the browser. If streaming does not work, switch to a lower video quality to match onboard bandwidth. If messaging apps fail, try turning off background data restrictions for that app. If you get an error code, take a screenshot and note the flight number and seat number. Use the onboard help page if available, or contact Delta support through the listed Wi-Fi support link. If nothing works, power cycle your device once more and attempt the portal steps from the beginning. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.